Good morning, classes 4 and 5. How are you? So let's begin with our mental maths test. I hope you have noted down the numbers. Question number 1 to 10 are for both the classes, and question number 11 to 15 are for only class 5. So I'll call out the questions like we do in the class, and you'll write the answers. First question: double of 532. Double of 532. Next question: what will be the half kg equivalent of 5,500 milligrams? Half of 5,500 milligrams would be how many kgs? That is what the question is asking. All right. Third question: if two angles of a triangle total up to 120 degrees, what is the measure of the third angle? And provide your answer in degrees. If the sum of two angles of a triangle is 120 degrees, what will be the third angle? Question number 4. Parth, Hardik, Dasmaya and Ashwini eat the equal number of chapatis. I repeat, Parth, Hardik, Dasmaya and Ashwini eat the equal number of chapatis. The total number of chapatis eaten by them together, is 432. 432. What is the number of chapatis eaten by each? Alright. So Parth, Hardik, Dasmaya and Ashwini ate 432 chapatis together. And what is the number of chapatis eaten by each of them? Next question. I hope you have done question number 4. Okay. Question number 5. How many corners does a cone have? How many corners does a cone have? Question number 6. In a place, it is 9:15 p.m. 9:15. In another place, it is 12:15 p.m. One place it is 9:15 p.m. Another place it is 12:15 p.m. So the difference in the time between two places is so many minutes. So you have to give me the difference in the time between these two places in minutes. Take your time. All right. The next question. Look at the sheet which I have in my hand. Can you see it clearly? You see some grid numbers over here. 1, 2, 3. Then you have 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7, 8, 9. Right? So there are 9 grids. It's like a game of cross and knots, tic-tac-toe. Right? So there are two players who are playing. One is playing with a 0, one is playing with a cross. Now the way to win this game is you have to either get all the 3 adjacent grids, you have to get a vertical or a diagonal or a horizontal. So if you have a 0, 0, 0 here and you strike it off, you are the winner. If you have a cross, 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 cross straight, you can win. If you have 0, 0, 0, you can win. Right? So see the grid carefully again. All right. So it has to be crossed either vertically, horizontally, or Diagonally. Diagonally is like this, right? So in what grid should the player playing with a cross, in what number grid, whether it's 4 or 7, in what grid should he put a cross to win the game? So you just have to write the number, either 4 or 7. All right? Okay. Next question is an easy one. How many sides does a rhombus have? How many sides does a rhombus have? All right. Next. Length is 4 centimeters. Breadth is 5 centimeters. Length is 4 centimeters. Breadth is 5 centimeters. You have to find the area of a rectangle with this length and breadth. Done? Okay. Next question. I have an A where the mirror is placed below A. Okay, mirror has been placed below A like this. Mirror has been placed below A like this. So you give me the mirror image of this figure. Give me the mirror image of this figure. All right. So class 4 can take a breather here. Their 10 questions are over. I'll go to class 5 now. Class 5. Question number 11 for you. If in a party there were 20 guests, 5 left after an hour. Okay? Out of 20 guests, 5 left. Express the number of guests who left in a fraction. Please remember, you have to express the number of guests who left. You have to give me the fraction and convert the fraction to the lowest possible fraction. All right. So out of 20 guests, 5 had left. All right. Done? Okay. Next question is 17.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 50 minus what? 17.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 50 minus what? So you have to give me the value of that what. 17.5 into 2 is equal to 50 minus what? Question number 13. Wind in the willows. Wind in the willows. You have to find the fraction of vowels in this whole title. Wind in the willows. Find the fraction of vowels. Write the numerator as well as the denominator. All right. Next question. If Asmi studies for 15 hours in a week, if Asmi studies for 15 hours in a week, but she does not study on Saturday and Sunday, find out for how many hours did she study in the month of February 2019. If Asmi studies for 15 hours in a week, but not on a Saturday and a Sunday, find out how many hours did she study in the month of February 2019. All right. Pay attention. Yes. The last question, question number 15. Is half of 1 kg equal to quarter of 2 kgs? Is half of 1 kg equal to quarter of 2 kgs? Write a yes or a no. Is half of 1 kg equal to quarter of 2 kgs? Write a yes or a no. In case you have missed a question, you can go back in the video. Alright, that much flexibility you have. After this, calculate your marks and provide me your scores. Alright, I hope you had a nice time doing this test. Thank you.